Hey guys, I'm George. This is the Obsidian Series 500D SE. You've already seen the 500D. It's an award-winning chassis and our best mid-tower ever. This is an SE version that has a few upgrades you might be interested in. The first upgrade you'll notice is that the aluminum front panel on the 500D has been replaced with a tempered glass front panel on the SE version. And the reason we did that is because the 500D SE comes with 3 LL120 RGB fans. With 16 individually addressable LEDs per fan, you're going to want to show them off. And to control those fans, we've included the Corsair Commander Pro. It allows full RGB customization. In addition to lighting, the Corsair Commander Pro allows full thermal and noise adjustability, so you can choose your sweet spot between maximum airflow and minimum noise. And the best part about it is we didn't have to get rid of any of the features that made the 500D an award-winning case in the first place. We have room for a 360 radiator, 240, 280 on top, a 120 in the rear, 8 expansion slots, vertical GPU mount, dust filters all the way around, and swing out tempered glass side panel so you can easily access your system. The Obsidian Series 500D is our best mid-tower ever, and the 500D SE is the best version of that case. For more information, head over to Corsair.com.
This is the Corsair iCUE 220T RGB Airflow, our new mid-tower ATX case where strong cooling meets smart lighting. The 220T was designed with high airflow in mind, but with its solid steel construction and perforated steel front panel, it offers a stylish look with the added benefit of durability. Included with the case are a lighting node core and 3 SP120 RGB Pro fans. Each SP RGB Pro fan has 8 individually addressable LEDs in the hub, and combined with our iCUE software, you can get brilliant lighting effects right out of the box. To make this case even more eye-catching, we added an edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel to showcase all your awesome components and beautiful RGB lighting. The I/O panel has 2 USB 3.1 Type A ports, a 3.5mm combination headphone microphone jack, and your power and reset buttons. 3 removable dust filters in the front, top, and bottom of the case will help keep your PC looking clean and tidy. Additionally, there's ample radiator mounts with up to a 120mm in the back, a 240 in the top, or up to a 360mm in the front. For storage, there are 2 low-profile 2.5-inch drive brackets, and there's a removable drive cage that houses up to 2 additional 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives. With the 220T's built-in PSU cover, you can keep your power supply and cables out of sight, which makes it easy to build a clean-looking system without excess clutter. The 220T is a stylish mid-tower ATX case with optimal airflow that's perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.